Hello, my name is Sterling Knight. I work with Next Level Roofing and Exteriors. Today we are at Karen Simkins, claim number 079-303-5163. We're going to be doing a simulated repair video. We'll be removing the existing shingle right here and then reattaching the same shingle to see if repairability is an option. Things we're going to be looking for is creasing in the shingles above and just general damage caused by us replacing the shingle or removing it. So let's get started. As you can see, here, come up closer. As you can see, the shingles above it have very little granular loss on them right now. There's just a small amount. These are all very well adhered, as you can see. So this is a great test area. So the shingle we're going to be looking at is going to be this one right here. Right? So you can see on these ones, very little shingles. Okay, so yeah, let's get this going. Stand right there. This is a roof that has been stapled. The staples were used in the original install. So today, we are actually going to be replacing those staples with roofing nails, right? It's impossible to really get the staples back in correctly. They bend, they fold. So, very difficult to get up underneath the shingle. It just wants to pull right through. We did get one, but it did still pull through it. These shingles are quite brittle. Do not want to mount correctly. So here, in there. Okay. So we were able to pull the shingle out. See, there was lots of granular loss. So right there, and right there, all of those were, they pulled through the shingle. I wasn't able to get them out with the pry bar without the shingle coming up through those. So let's see here. We got some granular loss on these ones. So as you can see, So the real test is obviously going to be putting it back in. Getting it out is one thing. So some of these, I'm going to have to, because the staple stayed in, go through and re-pull them out to be able to get the shingle to lay flat again. Back in there. Yeah.
Hold on one sec. Just one sec.
I'm gonna run down and grab some more nails. So just keep recording.
Okay.
Come back.
You want to just pause it? Okay.
Sorry about that. Alrighty, so on the side, we were able to remove it. We removed the staples. So as you can see the staples. So these actually just tore basically right through the shingle when I was trying to pull them out with the pry bar. So I did replace them with penny nails for roofing. So let's take a look at what happened since we did this replacement. So same thing. Whoa, way more granule loss now. So there's quite a ton, like you can see in my hand. Same thing here, plenty. Actually I'm starting to see some creasing right here. Yeah, same thing. Oh, yeah, some creasing right here as well. So yeah, I'm gonna say this is a fail. I mean, even under these, so like take a look at this down here. So you can see right where that staple pulled through, you know, right here as well. So that's already compromising the integrity of the nail strip. So this is definitely a fail. There's no way we're going to be able to bring this back to pre-loss conditions by doing repairs. The only thing repairs are going to do at this point is just effectively cause more damage, cause and cost. So yeah, I mean, there's no possible way we're going to be able to repair the shingle all the time.